I'm going to be making the best iced coffee I've ever had and maybe that you've ever had after watching this video. So let's get started. So I always make my iced coffees with a Keurig at home. So I'm just gonna be taking like a normal like iced cup, just like fill it for ice. What? Fill it with ice. So I filled it almost full. Then you want to get your favorite K-cup, K-pod, I don't freaking know. Insert your cup, then insert the pod into the hole, then press the iced option, and then you wait. Okay, I'm done. Don't forget your favorite creamer. I recently bought the coconut cream one. Oh my god. This completes every part of my life. That's the sound you want to hear. Are we done, sis? I think so. Alright, so now you just pour your creamer inside the black coffee. Your brain is about to be quaked. It looks super gross and like watery now, but you just stir it a little. Put your lid on and sip. Yes. And there you have it, the best iced coffee you've ever had. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe, obviously. I'm never this hyper, but like today, I don't know. See you guys in my next video. Bye.